Hi, I'm Evan Aidman, and I'm going to discuss in this video another aspect of venue and Philadelphia. Again, we always try to get our cases venued in Philadelphia because in Philadelphia we get higher settlements, higher jury verdicts, and the procedure of how to handle everything in Philadelphia is most familiar to people like me who've been practicing in Philly for more than 30 years. So Philly is where we want to go. One of the changes in the law recently is how uninsured and underinsured motorist cases are handled. It used to be that the insurance policies all said that you handle these things outside of the court system through an arbitration process that's outside the court system. And so the plaintiff's lawyer would pick an arbitrator, the insurance company's lawyer would pick an arbitrator, and then a neutral third arbitrator would be selected and the case would be arbitrated. A few years ago, a case came down, it's called the Koken case, K-O-K-E-N, that said that the insurance companies no longer have to go through that, but instead the uninsured and underinsured motorist claims could be litigated through the court system. And many insurance companies require that, although some still allow the arbitration process to go. But if you're in the majority, you're going to have to litigate your case through court now. So what happens is you've got the claim against the negligent driver, assuming you've got an underinsured driver, and you've got the underinsured motorist claim against your own insurance company. And there are many issues that come up. Should you file two separate lawsuits? Should you file one together? And if you do file them together, where do you file it? Because you now have an insurance company to sue as opposed to just another driver, a lot of times that opens up venue. A lot of times you can sue in Philadelphia, whereas before you wouldn't be able to because the accident didn't happen in Philly and the negligent driver neither worked nor lived in Philly. You might be stuck out in the counties, but now with an insurance company, you might be able to bring it in Philadelphia. So that's an unintended consequence of the insurance companies forcing us into court. Sometimes we get a venue advantage, which can be a very big deal. So that's an update on venue and Philadelphia. Let me know if you have any questions.